So my name's Albert Flores. I'm with Voco Pro, and I'm here with DJ Kit TV, and we're looking at the PA Pro 900, and this is a powered PA amplifier. It has 8 channels, and so it's also got an included 4 wireless modules in the back on UHF. These microphones provide about 4 to 8 hours use on 2 AA batteries. Sound very well. In the United States, at least, they meet the FCC requirements for frequencies. I don't know about the UK; they probably don't have those same requirements. So this amplifier is pretty much designed for use in all kinds of situations. You could use it for full-size gigs or even coffee shop gigs. It's got a built-in SDR3 recorder, which records all performances to SD card. Excellent sound reproduction. It makes it really easy to take your recordings and port them to a PC or computer and distribute your mixes. The amplifier design is it's 600 watts, and it's got a dual amplifier sign where you could actually have it with a left-right combination, or you could have it set up to have a monitor and a master combination, so you could use it for stage purposes. The microphone jacks support phantom power, and again, if you have the wireless modules in use, you can still use the front jacks. You just need to select it with the source select button. It's got a built-in compressor, which is right here, so that's nice for preventing some overload on channels. It's got DSP on-off effects, on-off button, and the DSP effects on all channels. These are your stereo channels here, and it's a great amplifier. It's solid, and it's a new piece, so it hasn't got out there yet, but it's something that we expect to do very well. This is the Traveler. This is a 2-piece PA system. It includes a main unit and a subwoofer, and both of these units are battery powered, and depending on the level of volume and modules used, you can expect about 2 to 8 hours of use. And again, there's a wide range, because if you have it full board, you're going to have less operating time. On top, we have 3 UHF microphone channels, the same channels as previously with the PA Pro 900, and those are our top selling microphones, the UHFs. You have 4 channels. You don't have to use the microphones. You can use the wired mics as well. It supports phantom powered microphones, so all your condenser mics you could use with it. It's got 2 stereo inputs. It's got a stereo output. It's also got the SDR3 recorder, which as mentioned before, it records everything to SD, and it's an excellent way an easy way to port your recordings to PC. And that's about it for this one. This is a brand new piece. Oh, and one other thing, it's got a locking mechanism on it, so you could when you transport it, you have the handles here. It's also on the side. It's got this cutout piece, so that when you have it on the subwoofer unit, you can tilt it upward, which is nice for directing the sound upward. You can use it for a stage monitor for that purpose. We expect this to be mostly used for educational institutions, businesses, churches, or even musicians that are doing shows on the go, because it's battery powered, so you can take it anywhere. As you can see, it's speaker stand mountable. So yeah, this is a great unit, really highly mobile, and it sounds great. When you got these two things going together, the subwoofer, it really provides that full sound that's missing from a lot of PA systems. This is our UHF 5805, and we also have a UHF 5800. This is our top selling microphone system. It's a 4-channel UHF system. The microphone that I'm holding here is for a 5800. These are battery powered 2 AA's. You can get at least, it's probably about 4 to 8 hours of battery time on these. The rechargeable microphones, you get the same operating time. They use a lithium-ion battery, and the system comes with 2 rechargers that each hold 2 microphones. So the system includes the receiver, the 4 microphones, and the 2 recharging units. These microphones, again, are top selling. They've been compared to some very big name brands in terms of sound quality. On the back, you have 4 XLR outputs for individual connection to, professional grade systems, or if you have real long cable runs. You got a 1/4 inch mix output, for more basic systems, or if you just got 1 input on a mixer. So it creates it's compatible with just about any system you're going to connect it to. It's got squelch control, for each microphone channel, and it's got so yeah, these modules are field replaceable, which means that, let's say for some reason maybe you might have interference in your particular area using these microphones. If that's the case, we have like top-notch customer service, so you would just let us know, and we would be able to set you up with another frequency, and you could just remove this module, send it in with the microphone, and you'd still have the use of the 3 other modules without this one. So it allows you to make adjustments on the fly without having to lose your whole system in the interim. So yeah, this is the 5800 and not shown. I'm sorry, 5805 and not shown as the 5800. But they're the same unit. Only difference is that the microphones are rechargeable for the 5805, and those microphones on the 5805 are metal construction. The 5800s are neoprene, or not neoprene, but they're rubberized plastic. And that's it for the mic systems.